As a Westerner and as a white person, I would have some degree of privilege if I ever found myself incarcerated by the Israelis, but to come face to face with the level of sadism and inhumanity that they display was really quite shocking to me. I mean, in the 5 or 6 days that we were incarcerated, no access to doctors, no access to medicine, no contact with the outside world, no lawyers, no yard time. And one of our comrades, I don't think he'd mind me saying, a 75-year-old man trying to bring baby formula to a besieged population, was taken out of his prison cell at 2 o'clock in the morning, guns pointed at his head, and all he was asking for was his insulin. They wouldn't give the man insulin for 3 or 4 days. In my opinion, they were very happy to let him die. So it's not even a patch on what Palestinians are going through, but that was on my mind the whole time. I was thinking, if they're treating me like this with the passport I have and the privilege I have, imagine what they're doing to Palestinians in prisons, many of whom are children. And I can't countenance that my government or any Western government still has diplomatic relations with a state that kidnaps humanitarians in international waters and brings them to a torture prison camp and denies them their basic human rights. You know what? We didn't get water. We were drinking toilet water for 3 or 4 days. If anyone in Ireland or anywhere thinks that's a normal state, then I don't know what else to say.